I've talked a lot about the rain and snow over the last several days, but here's one thing we haven't talked a lot about: wind. As we head into the weekend before Christmas, here's what you need to know. I'm expecting some serious wind coming in late Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Sunday's going to be a little bit gusty, but really, when we're talking about when the prime time for winds are, it's going to be late Tuesday into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Valley wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, 50, are possible on Christmas Eve, and then strengthening once again by the time we get to Christmas Day. These are going to be some serious winds that are going to impact us in a few different ways. One of them, of course, crosswinds, right? If we're driving east-west, say on 80 or 50, these winds are going to be out of the south, so you're going to be dealing with that crosswind. Additionally, we could see breaking branches, which could fall into power lines, could bring down some lines, so we could be dealing with some localized power outages. It's just going to be a mess. Make sure you secure those holiday decorations as well, otherwise they might end up down the street. I'll be here all of next week keeping you updated with the very latest on this storm. But as we head into the weekend, we start thinking about the holiday, I want you to also be thinking about the heavy rain, the heavy snow, and the strong winds on the way to Northern California.